Chandrayaan-1 details. Chandrayaan-1 was the first lunar mission of ISRO. Chandrayaan-1 was launched by ISRO on 22 October 2008. The satellite was launched to set up some instruments on the moon to explore it. The satellite was launched with a weight of 1380 kg. For attaining the goal, ISRO used some elements like terrain mapping camera, laser ranging camera, and SARA, etc. It used solar energy to make it work. The mission was launched with an objective to operate for 2 years. It sent its first image of Earth from space on 25 March 2009. Chandrayaan-1 crashed on 29 August 2009. The Chandrayaan-1 has provided us with useful information. Thanks for watching.